So, hey students, today we are going to study lesson 6 flightless birds, lesson 16 flightless birds. So, first you have to know about the flightless birds. So, open page number 25, lesson 16. So, flightless birds. You see, most of the birds are flying in the sky, but there are few birds which are not able to fly. Such birds are called as the flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly are called as the flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly are called as the flightless birds. So in this page, diagram of some flightless birds are given. So you try to understand, try to identify the name of these birds. Diagrams are given here. So there are the 9 diagrams. Diagrams of the 9 birds are given here. You have to identify the name of these birds. So first bird, what name I have written? First one is the kakapo. First, this one is the name of this bird is the kakapo. And second you see cassowary. Second is the diagram of cassowary. Now third, this is the diagram you see. Third, this is the kiwi. Third one is the kiwi. And fourth you see. Fourth, this is the very peculiar bird, and it is found mainly in the polar regions, and this is the ostrich. Now this is a penguin. Name is given as penguin. This is the diagram of penguin. And fifth, so fifth is the emu. Fifth is the picture of emu. And sixth, this is the ostrich. Six is the diagram of the ostrich. And seventh, you see seventh is the diagram of tahaki. And 8, you see this one is the 8, the diagram of eight here. Steamer duck. Steamer duck. 8. This one is the steamer duck. And 9 is the Vika. It is diagram of the beaker. So try to understand the name of these birds. What? A bird named Clark's nutcracker hides its food in thousands of places. It can recall exactly where it buried each food item up to 9 months. So these are the about the flightless birds. Once again, try to understand. First diagram is the kakapo, second one the cassowary, third one the kiwi, fourth the penguin, fifth is emu, sixth is ostrich, seven is the tahake, and eighth is the steamer duck, and nine is the beaker. So you see diagram and try to understand. Now next one is the lesson 16. 17. Next lesson you see 17 lesson amazing animals. 17 lesson about the amazing animals. Now see next lesson 17 lesson 17 and page number 26. Page number will also be changed and lesson 17 amazing animals. Amazing animals. Amazing animals and page number 26. So there are a few peculiar animals having some peculiar features. So we have to study about these amazing animals. Do you know how amazing these animals are? Some diagrams are given. Diagrams of some amazing animals are given. So you have to know how these are the amazing. Oyster. Now see first, oyster can change from one gender to another and back again. Suppose one oyster is there. Oyster is only used for the pearl. Natural pearl we are getting from the oysters. So oysters, this is suppose this is the male and this male may be changed into the female and again this female may be changed into the male. This is the peculiar feature. So oyster can change from one gender to another and back again. No any other members, other animals having such property. Male and the female. So male can be converted into female and again female converted into the male. This is amazing property. So oyster can change from one gender to another and back again. Now next you see a father sea catfish. A father sea catfish keeps the eggs of its young ones in its mouth until they are ready to hatch. It does not eat until the young ones are born. This is the peculiar feature. in which the male keeps the egg of its young ones into its mouth till they hatch, and till that time this fish eats the nothing. This is the peculiar feature. So once again, a father sheep catfish keeps the eggs of the young ones in its mouth until they are ready to hatch. It does not eat until the young ones are born. Now next about the eel. Unlike most fish, electric eel. Unlike most fish, electric eel cannot get enough oxygen from water. In every 5 minutes, it comes to surface to breathe. It is also known for its excellent swimming, as it can swim both backwards and the forward direction. This is the peculiar feature. You have seen the fish can swim only one direction, but it can swim in the both forward and backward direction. So electric eel is found in the water, but due to the scarcity of the oxygen, it comes to the surface at every 5 minutes for the respiration, and it is excellent swimming. It is known for its excellent swimming, as it can swim both backwards and the forwards. Now next one, a quail is a cat-like marsupials from Australia. It sleeps in daytime with folded ears to block any sound from disturbing them. So marsupials are the animals, you have to listen the name of the kangaroo. So marsupials having a pouch like structure in their the stomach, in which they keep their the young ones. So a quail is a cat-like marsupial from Australia. It sleeps in daytime with folded ears to block any sound from the disturbing him. Now next, some white-winged vampire bats pretend to be the chicks of a hen. Once in position under the hen, the bats feeds on their the blood. Now next, cheetah. A cheetah is the only big cat that can turn around while sprinting. It cannot roar. It cannot roar just like the tiger, etc. Now, did you know elephant can smell water up to 3 miles away? Oh, it is very sensitive to water, so elephants can smell water up to 3 miles away. So that's for today. So